Yo, what's going on, guys? Babel 5 Super Fucker Reviews. Yes. We're gonna do this pack opening. Um, Pokemon from McDonald's, but McDonald's. 25th anniversary or 25th. Pokemon card. I don't know how I got this actually. My mother gave it to me. My mother gave me this card. I don't know where she got it from. Like, I don't even go to McDonald's. I said that twice. Okay, hold up. Let me open it real quick. Oh, fuck. Okay, I think I just saw the final card, maybe. Well, no! I spoiled it for myself. Fuck. Okay, well, this is the final card. I know what it is already. Okay, well, we got a Piplup. You got, oh shit, chick. What? There's only 4 cards? What? Thought there was more. Wait. Okay, I was gonna say, are those the starters? And then for the holographic. Oh, guess what we got? Guess what we just got? Guess what we just got? You won't believe this. Oh my fucking god. Oh my god! Bro, this is unbelievable. Can you believe we just got this? God damn. Beautiful. Look at that. So we got all starters for the cards. What do you guys think? Leave it in the comment section down below. What's your opinion? Did I get like gangster luck? Did I get like unbelievable luck or what? Cause like, yeah, would have been cooler if this was like a Pikachu, because there have been 4 starters. Because Pikachu's actually a starter. In the first game, on the yellow edition. I forgot. I don't know how.